Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Krystelle and I forgot to film an introduction for this video. So anyways, in today's video I am creating a simple and easy Thanksgiving look and drugstore look, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution palette with collaboration with SophX. And the first shade I am going in with is that brown taupey shade. I'm going to be using that as my transition color. And I also lost the film with all the names on it, so I'm just going to be pointing to the colors throughout the whole entire video. So right here I'm taking a darker brown and I'm just applying that on my transitional area as well. So right now I'm taking this salmon-y orange shade and I'm going to be applying that into my crease area. Now I'm going to be taking this pink from the palette and I'm going to be applying that to my crease area as well. This pink is so beautiful, and when I first opened the palette I was like, I have to use this pink somehow. And now I'm going back in with that light brown, and I'm just going to be cleaning up the edges from the crease shades just to blend out all those harsh lines and just to kind of blend everything together. So I decided to do a halo eye with this look today, so I'm taking that brown rusty shade and I'm applying that on my outer V, and I'm also applying that in my inner eye to kind of create that nice halo effect. And right here I'm taking this deeper brown and I'm going to also apply that on my outer V as well, and my inner V, just to make the color pop out more and add, like I was saying before, more depth. So now for my lid, I'm going to be taking this gold and I'm going to be using my finger to just put that gold in the center of my lids. So right now I'm just taking a blending brush. I'm just blending everything together and just making sure I don't have any harsh lines and it doesn't look like patchy. And for foundation, I'm just taking my Covergirl True Matte Blend in the shade D40 and I'm going to be applying that over my face. So for concealer, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'm just going to be highlighting my under eye, my nose, my center of my forehead, and my chin. To set everything into place, I'm going to be taking my Milani translucent setting powder in the shade Medium Dark. I have been loving this powder. It gives my skin such a airbrush look, and I feel like it just doesn't sit on top of my skin. It just looks so amazing, and it was I think $9, but it's such a great powder. Now I took some of my Wet n Wild blush and applied those to the apples of my cheek, and now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter. I'm just applying those to the high points of my cheeks.